Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. How are you? Last video I discussed about the program for adding two number, and that number will take from the keyboard. Now I am going to explain you one program using formula, and this program is, let us write the question and we'll solve you. Question is, write a program to find the simple interest. Now question is, what is simple interest? We are going to bank for taking loan. Sometime we are taking the loan. For the loan, bank told if you will take the loan of any amount for 2 years, we will charge 5% per annum per year. So in this case, how much interest we need to pay, that we are able to calculate using this program. The formula of simple interest is, I'm writing in this SI, is P into T into R by 100. This is the formula. P is the principal amount, how much we take. T is the time always we will give in year, and R is the rate of interest, 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 10%, whatever we have. Okay, so now to write the program for this, the first task is we have to declare variable. So how many variable we will declare? We will declare 4 variable, 3 variable, one for P principal amount, one for T, one for R, and the one for the simple interest, where we will store the simple interest. So let us declare the variable. Integer P into T into R into SI. This is the simple interest. This is the name of the variable, P, T, R, SI. If you want, you can give any other name. Name is not a problem. I give P, T, R, SI, and the name should be meaningful, not like here I write A, B, C, D, so that people will not understand. So here I write P, it means we can easily understand this is the principal amount, T is the time, R is the rate, and SI is the simple interest. Whatever things we are going to calculate, for that we will not take the data from the keyboard. For example, I am going to calculate the SI, the simple interest. So for the simple interest, I will not take the data from keyboard, because simple interest we are going to calculate. Simple interest we are going to calculate. So first I will take the data for console.write. I will take the data for principal amount, and this principal amount is going to store in the P. So P equal to convert. If you remember, in the last class I told you convert dot to int 32, and we will have the console dot read line. This I did for the principal amount. Same I will do for the time, same I will do for the rate. So console dot write, enter the time in year, and time is T equal to what? Convert dot to int 32, and we will have the console dot read line. And this I am going to copy, I am not going to write, it will take more time. Just only will change it. This is rate, and this will be R, and then SI equal to P into T into R by 100. It will calculate, and we will print the result. Console dot write simple interest is what? The simple interest is what, psi, and this is the last one, is the console dot read line. Now if I will give simple interest 1000, time is 2 year, and rate of interest is 5%. What is principal amount 1000, time is 2, rate is 5. 1000 into 2 into 5 equal to 100. So if 100 is coming, result is correct. If not coming, there is a problem. So you have to calculate result manually, and you have to compare with your program. If coming correct, it's okay. If not, mushkil. So we will have the 1000, time is 2, and rate is 5. So what result I told to you? 100 simple interest. If coming correct, it is coming 100. So this is the correct one. So this is the program to calculate the simple interest. Okay, any problem, do not hesitate to ask the question. Okay, and do the practice, very important. If you will not practice, you will not able to do. Now come to the next. After this program, we have program, write a program to find sum and average of 5 subject mark. This question you do yourself, I will not do. I am going to explain you this program. Write a program to find the area of a circle. We have the circle, okay, and we want to find the area of a circle. To find the area of a circle, we want what? We want the radius r. The formula of area of a circle is pi r square. So let us tell you about this question. I am copy this question. I am going to delete this. This formula is, if you find, if you will search, or if you will open the mathematics book, you will find the area of a circle formula is pi r square. Pi value is 3.14. That's why here I write the 3.14. The value of pi is 3.14. And for r square, we will write r into r. If we have r cube, then we will write r into r into r, because here in the keyboard we do not have functionality to write r square. So for r square we are writing r into r. If we have r cube, we will write r into r into r. Okay, how many variable we need to declare? Maybe you people are thinking 3. So first variable we will declare for area of a circle A. Now question is, what type of variable we will declare? What type of data type we will take for area of a circle? So for area of a circle, if you see the formula, there is 3.14 into r into r. So there is a possibility that if I will give the value 2 or 4, I will get the result in fractional part. I will get the result in decimal place, right? So the area of circle we will declare in double data type. double data type. I am declaring A as the area of a circle. Now it's clear or not why I take double? The reason is in formula there is 3.14. So if we will multiply 3.14 by any number, there is a possibility that the answer will come in the decimal, in the fractional, and fractional value we are not able to store in the integer data type. That's why I take double. Double data type is used to store any value with decimal. Now for the radius I'm going to give as a integer data type r. See, if you have 1r, 2r, 3r, 4r, so for how many r you have, we will declare only one variable for single r. Do not think here we have the 2r, so we will declare two times variable. No, only one time. So important thing is here why I choose this program, because in this program I want to show you two important things. The number one is the double data type, and another is we have 2r. It means we have to take only single, we have to declare only single variable. We will not take the data for the area A, because A we will calculate from the formula. So we will take only the value for r. In console.write, enter the radius, radius, radius of radius only, radius, and r equal to convert dot 2 in 32, and we will have the console dot read line. Now direct formula, A equal to, remember A is capital, so we have to write the capital, 3.14 into r into r, and we will print our result, console dot write line, right, area of circle is, whatever area of circle is, we will write A, because this is available in the A, and console dot read line. I will give the value of r2. So if I will give the value of r2, you know what result will come, because we have to compare 2 into 2, 4, 12.54 will come, I think so. 12.54, 12.56. So this is the program to find the area of a circle. I think you got now. So now I will give you some program, some list of program. You have to practice yourself. If any problem, please let me know. I explain you how to take the data from the keyboard. I explain you if your formula is in the decimal, what kind of data type you will declare. So I will give you related question based on the formula, and you have to solve yourself. If you will not solve yourself, you are not able to write the program. So I will upload some question, you solve, and for the first week if any problem in your project, you take 2-3 days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. If any problem or you want me to write any program, please let me know, so that I will write the program for you. So for the week 1, this is the last video for the week 1, and for you now, you do the practice, you watch the video, you read the chapter, and if any problem, please let me know. Okay.